My commitment as a tile setter began with the life-changing decision of quitting school and finding a job. I was only 15 years old. My family and I had recently moved to the United States, and we were going through some really rough, hard times. And I felt like it was my duty and responsibility to support them. I got involved in the tile installation, and as years went by, I learned the trade and developed a deep passion for it. One day my mentor said to me, "Chino, you are a very good tile installer. Make it your career." I did exactly that. But I raised the bar by getting trained and educated in all aspects of the tile installation. Years later, I took on the responsibility of recruiting good character trainees and train them with my own values and ability. So together as a team, we can deliver great quality and satisfaction to every customer. This is my commitment to you. This is my career. We do it right.